how to calculate BTU required. First, measure the space by floor. 5 meters by 6 meters gives you 30 square meters. Next, take that 30 square meters and multiply by 600. This will give you 18,000 BTU. And that's your BTU. Simple. A few things to consider though. Bigger the window, higher the BTU. Higher the ceiling, higher the BTU. Hotter the room, higher the BTU. Now that you've calculated the correct BTU required, you can recommend the correct aircon size to your customer and they will surely appreciate that.